Dear students, welcome to School Success. This video will discuss the chapter Kalpana Chawla, the inspirational journey of an Indian American woman in space. Kalpana Chawla's remarkable journey from a small town in India to the vastness of space is a story of determination, courage, and inspiration. Let us see her early life and education. Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, Haryana, India, a place far removed from the world of space exploration. As a child, she never imagined that one day she would be exploring the frontiers of space. Her journey began with a strong educational foundation nurtured by her supportive parents, who allowed her to attend an engineering college despite societal expectations. Kalpana graduated from Tagore School and pursued a Bachelor of Science degree in aeronautical engineering, a field not commonly chosen by women at the time. Let us learn more about her higher education and professional growth. Determined to further her education, Kalpana moved to the United States, overcoming her father's initial opposition. She earned a master's degree in aerospace engineering and later completed her PhD in the same field. Her academic achievements laid the groundwork for her future career as an astronaut. In 1997, Kalpana Chawla made history as the first Indian American woman to fly in space, launching from Cape Canaveral, Florida, aboard the Space Shuttle Columbia. Her family in India and the staff at Kennedy Space Center cheered as they watched the shuttle lift off, marking a momentous occasion. Now, let us have a look at the personal life and professional pursuits of Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana became a naturalized US citizen and married Joe Pierre Harrison, a flight instructor. Her passion for flying extended beyond her role as an astronaut. She was licensed to fly various types of aircraft and was a certified flight instructor. Kalpana's fascination with flight in space led her to apply for NASA's Space Shuttle program. In 1994, after starting as a research scientist at NASA, she was selected for astronaut training. In space, Kalpana never let her identity as a woman or her background from a small town in India limit her ambitions. When asked about her experiences, she emphasized that she never saw herself through those lenses. Instead, she pursued her dreams with the same determination as anyone else, encouraged by those around her. Kalpana's first mission in space, aboard the Columbia, lasted for 15 days, 16 hours, and 34 minutes. During this mission, she orbited the Earth 252 times, covering a distance of 10.45 million kilometers. Her crew included astronauts from Japan and Ukraine, and together they conducted various experiments, including studies on plant pollination, material science, and computer technology development. This mission, costing about $56 million, contributed significantly to scientific knowledge. Tragic end. On a fateful Saturday night, the world was shaken by the tragic news of the Columbia disaster. The shuttle disintegrated during re entry into Earth's atmosphere, and Kalpana, along with her six crewmates, perished. The town of Karnal, like many around the globe, was plunged into shock and disbelief. Despite the tragedy, Kalpana's legacy as a heroine and a symbol of extraordinary achievement remained intact. Becoming an astronaut requires immense talent and knowledge across diverse fields, from biology to astrophysics to engineering. Kalpana Chawla exemplified these qualities, making her accomplishments truly awe inspiring. She has been an inspiration to future generations. Kalpana's story continues to inspire millions, particularly young Indians. Her journey from a small town girl to a space explorer serves as a beacon of hope and possibility. In a message sent from the Columbia to students of her alma mater in Chandigarh, she encouraged them to dream big and pursue their goals with determination. The path from dreams to success does exist, she said. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get onto it. Wishing you a great journey. Her words resonate deeply, inspiring countless others to embark on their own journeys to fulfill their dreams. Kalpana Chawla's legacy is a testament to the power of dreams and the courage to pursue them, no matter the obstacles. Her life story is a vivid reminder that with perseverance and support, the sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning. Moving on. Answer the following questions. Where was Kalpana Chawla born? Why is she called the Indian American? And the answer is Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, a city in the state of Haryana, India. Despite her Indian origins, she is referred to as an Indian American because she later became a naturalized citizen of the United States. After moving to the US for higher education and establishing her career, Kalpana adopted American citizenships, which made her both Indian by birth and American by naturalization. This dual identity is why she is called an Indian American. Question number two. When and why did she go to the US? Who did she marry? Answer. For the first part of the question, when and why she went to the US. Kalpana Chawla moved to the United States after completing her Bachelor's of Science degree in Aeronautical Engineering in India. She pursued further education by enrolling in a master's degree program in aerospace engineering in the US, despite facing opposition from her father. She was driven by her desire to advance her knowledge and skills in her field, and later she also earned a PhD in aerospace engineering in the US. The next part of the question is who she married. Kalpana Chawla married Jean Pierre Harrison, who was a flight instructor. Question third. How did she become an astronaut? What gave her the idea that she could be an astronaut? Answer. For the first part of the question, becoming an astronaut, Kalpana Chawla became an astronaut through her hard work and achievements in aerospace engineering. She moved to the US for higher education, earning a master's degree and a PhD. She started as a research scientist at NASA and was selected for astronaut training in 1994. For the second part of the question, inspiration to become an astronaut, her love for flying and exploring new challenges inspired her to think about space. As a licensed pilot and flight instructor, Kalpana wanted to push her boundaries further. This passion and her accomplishments encouraged her to apply to NASA's Space Shuttle program, leading her to become an astronaut. Question 4. What abilities must an astronaut have according to the journalist? And the answer is according to the journalist, an astronaut needs to have a wide range of abilities and knowledge. They must understand many different subjects like biology, astrophysics, and engineering. Astronauts need to know a lot about almost everything, not just one specialty. This makes them very versatile and able to handle the tough and varied challenges of space missions. Question 5. Describe Kalpana Chawla's first mission in space. And the answer is Kalpana Chawla's first mission in space was on the Space Shuttle Columbia. This mission lasted for 15 days, 16 hours, and 34 minutes. During this time, Kalpana and her crew orbited the Earth 252 times, covering a distance of 10.45 million kilometers. The crew included astronauts from Japan and Ukraine. They performed several scientific experiments, such as studying how plants grow in space and testing materials to make stronger metals and faster computer chips. The mission was valued at about $56 million and contributed important research to science. Question number 6. What does Kalpana Chawla say about pursuing a dream? Do you agree with her that success is possible? Answer is Kalpana Chawla believed strongly in the power of following one's dreams. She said, "The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get onto it. Wishing you a great journey." This statement reflects a belief that with determination and courage, anyone can achieve their goals, no matter how ambitious they may seem. For the next part of the question, the answer is yes, I agree with Kalpana Chawla. Success is possible when we set clear goals, work hard, and stay committed to our dreams. Her life is a powerful example of how persistence and passion can lead to extraordinary achievements, showing that with the right mindset, we can overcome challenges and reach great heights. So I'll be reading a news report now, and based on that news report, there are certain questions that we'll be doing. A news report: tragedy in space, US space shuttle Columbia breaks into flames. In an unprecedented tragedy, US space shuttle Columbia, carrying Indian born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and six others, broke apart in flames as it streaked over Texas towards its landing strip on Saturday, 1st February 2003, killing all seven on board. The shuttle lost contact with NASA at about 9 a.m. as it came in for landing. It was flying at an altitude of over 200,000 feet and traveling at over 20,000 kilometers per hour when ground control lost contact with the shuttle. Columbia had lifted off on January 16, 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. It had stayed in orbit for 16 days and the seven-member crew conducted 80 experiments before it began its downward journey, which ended in tragedy. This was Columbia's 28th space flight, and the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. Question is: read the newspaper report to find the following facts about Columbia's ill fated voyage. First is date and place of liftoff. And the answer is date is 16 January 2003 and place is Kennedy Space Center, Florida. Number of astronauts on board. 7 astronauts were on board the US Space Shuttle Columbia. Number of days it stayed in space. The shuttle stayed in orbit for 16 days. Number of experiments done by scientists. The seven-member crew conducted a total of 80 experiments during the mission. Date of return journey. The tragic incident occurred on Saturday, 1st February 2003 as the shuttle was coming in for landing. Height at which it lost contact. The shuttle lost contact with NASA at an altitude of over 200,000 feet, approximately 61 kilometers above Texas. Next question. Use these phrases in sentences of your own after finding out their meanings. First is broke apart. The spaceship broke apart upon re entry into Earth's atmosphere. Second, streaked over. The meteor streaked over the night sky, leaving a trail of light behind. Third, spread across. The news of the discovery spread across the scientific community within hours. Fourth, lifted off. The rocket lifted off smoothly, carrying its payload into orbit. Fifth, blast off. The spacecraft blasted off from the launch pad with a deafening roar. Sixth, went on. The marathon went on despite the raining weather, much to the participants' relief. Seventh, cheered along. The crowd cheered along as the athletes crossed the finish line. 8. On board. There were 10 passengers on board the cruise ship when it encountered rough seas. And ninth, carry on. Despite the setbacks, he decided to carry on with his plans to start his own business. So, students, that's all about the chapter Kalpana Chawla, the inspirational journey of an Indian American woman in space. Hope you liked the video. For more such videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Happy learning.